I'm actually working with VAR out of Syracuse, which is a value-added reseller. Essentially, we sell Cisco equipment, and I am a architect with that particular company, so I do contracting work. When they sell equipment, we offer our portfolio to allow the installation, configuration, design, and added best practices and anything like that that goes with it. I have some professors that really assisted. They made some good choices that put me down the right path. I think hands down, it's going to be your ability to force students to critically think, because it's so rare out there, and I think that by far helped me the most. They taught me to teach myself, which never stopped. I think the coursework, the professors wanting to teach bleeding edge technology that is not fully documented, is not fully implemented, there's not a lot of examples where I can just read it and configure it. They made you search for it, tinker with it, come to critical conclusions on how it best works. I think only led to that potential success. It almost feels like Morrisville is not necessarily, even though it's a network administration program, it's facilitating the thought process of engineers.